Today we're going to ask you, what should we be doing wherever we go? Listen closely and follow along so you will know the answer.
So then what happened, Zadie? After the kids from Massachusetts went to Crown Heights and got to the matzah factory, did the Rebbe really come and daven mincha with them?
He sure did, Liebele. And not only daven mincha. After mincha, the Rebbe asked for a microphone and started to speak to the children.
Ooh, really? What did the Rebbe tell them?
If wo geht und was tut, gedenkt dabei darf haben in Sinne, als darf sich aufhören, wie in Zova Hashem.
The Rebbe told the Kinderlach, always remember that you're a soldier in Hashem's army, and we have a tricky enemy, the Yetzer Hara. So wherever you are, whatever you're doing, you can learn lessons in how to beat that Yetzer Hara.
Oh, Zadie, I didn't pack yet, and we're getting in the car in 2 hours. We got so distracted with your story, we didn't even start the Sikha. How about we learn the Sikha tomorrow night when we get to your house?
Sounds perfect, Liebele. Bobby and I are so excited to see you all. Have a safe and fun road trip.
Stretch your legs, everyone. We have 30 minutes before we're hitting the road again.
Where is it? Where is it? Aha! So it's a mother with a little girl, and the little girl seems to be having a tantrum. She's being very stubborn. No matter what the mother is telling her, she just refuses to listen. This is a tough one. But I think I've got it. The lesson I should be taking now, as a soldier in Sivas Hashem who tries to beat their Yetzer Hara, is, no matter how convincing the Yetzer Hara is gonna be, I'm gonna be as stubborn as that little girl. No way will I be listening to that tricky Yetzer Hara.
Kids, come eat lunch. That poor man must be so hungry. Kinderlach, what snacks do we have in the back? Have a great day.
What does this teach me about defeating the Yetzer Hara?
Sicher am vergesst nicht, die alle Sachen, was mir sagt oder mir hört oder mir tut, verbracht mir sich herein, was kommen davon ablernen.
I'll tell you what lesson you can take, Liba. Many times when we pass a poor person on the street, I think about how bad I feel for them. But my Yetzer Hara works very hard to make sure I just feel bad and don't actually do anything to help. A good way to beat that Yetzer Hara is make sure you actually do something when you feel like it's the right thing.
Mommy, that's a great one. You must have a lot of practice noticing different things that could help you beat your Yetzer Hara.
Kinderlach, we're so glad you're here. Come in.
Zadie, I've taken notes and there's so many things to report.
Is that you? You look like a soldier or something.
Und drauf soll jeder erweckt werden, zum Milchemes ha-Yetzer, auf Milchome haben, mit dem Yetzer, allein sicher und die alle, wo sehen.
Our Liebe is a soldier in the army of Hashem. Isn't that right, Liebe?
I sure am, Zadie. Back home, here, wherever I am, I'm always a soldier in Sivas Hashem.
Today's question is, what should we be doing wherever we go? number 974, we asked you, how was the Arizal Zeiche to have Ruach HaKodesh and see Eliyahu Hanavi? And the correct answer is number 2. He did mitzvahs happily. And the winner of the MyMaor raffle is Mushka Groner from Metairie, Louisiana. Join the next raffle by submitting your answer on mymaor.org. Mazel tov and happy birthday to Ariel Bazal from Brooklyn, New York. Menucha Lerman from Rutherford, New Jersey. Chaya Korf from Brooklyn, New York. Zev Mordechai Goldstein from Brooklyn, New York. And Mushka Spiro from Amsterdam, Netherlands. We'd like to wish you a shnas hatzlacha begashmius uberuchnius, that you continue to be a proud soldier in Tzivos Hashem, giving the Rebbe nachas and bringing Mashiach now.